Welcome to another session of this video lesson. In this lesson, I will be teaching on the topic, fraction. My name is Valentine, and I will be your teacher in this class. Let's go over the learning objectives for this topic. 1. We will define fraction. 2. We will learn how to write and express a fraction. 3. We will list and explain the types of fraction. 4. We will discuss on how to change improper fraction to mixed fraction. 5. We will discuss on how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. 6. We will solve some practice questions. I want you to pay attention as I teach you this topic. Let's go to class. So, what is fraction? A fraction is defined as a part of a whole. Consider the diagram of a circle below. The circle is divided into 4 parts. Also, consider the second diagram of a circle. In the second diagram, one part of the circle is shaded, and the other 3 parts is not shaded. The fraction of the shaded part is equal to 1/4, while the fraction of the unshaded parts is equal to 3/4. This is what a fraction is. Next, we will learn how to write fraction. A fraction is written in the form A/B. The letter A, which is written above the line, is called the numerator, while the letter B, written below the line, is called the denominator. Example of a fraction is 3/8. In this example, the numerator is 3, while the denominator is 8. So, in a fraction, the number written above the line is the numerator, and the number written below the line is the denominator. Next, we will learn how to read fractions. Question 1. What fraction of the boxes is shaded? If you look at the diagram, you will see that only 2 boxes are shaded, while 3 boxes are not shaded. So, the number of shaded boxes is equal to 2, while the total number of boxes is equal to 5. Therefore, the fraction of the shaded boxes is equal to 2/5. Let's try another question. Question 2. What fraction of the boxes is not shaded? If you look at the diagram, you will see that 3 boxes are not shaded. So, the number of unshaded boxes is equal to 3, while the total number of boxes is equal to 5. Therefore, the fraction of the unshaded boxes is equal to 3/5. Next, we will discuss the types of fractions. There are 3 types of fractions. 1. Proper fraction. 2. Improper fraction. 3. Mixed fraction. We will begin with proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example of a proper fraction is 3/5. In this example, the numerator is 3, and it is smaller than the denominator, which is 5. Let's consider another example. 1/8. Also, in this example, the numerator, which is 1, is smaller than the denominator, which is 8. So, we can identify a proper fraction if the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Next is improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is bigger than the denominator. An example is 3/2. In this example, the numerator, which is 3, is bigger than the denominator, which is 2. Let's consider another example. 13/9. Also, in this example, the numerator, which is 13, is bigger than the denominator, which is 9. So, we can identify an improper fraction if the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Next is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a fraction which contain a whole number and a proper fraction. Example of a mixed fraction is 3 whole number 1/2. In this example, the mixed fraction contain a whole number, which is 3. Also, it contain a proper fraction, which is 1/2. Let's consider another example. 5 whole number 2/5. In this example, the mixed fraction contained a whole number, which is 5. Also, it contain a proper fraction, which is 2/5. So, we can identify mixed fraction if it contain a whole number and a proper fraction. Next, we will discuss on how to change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Example 1. Change this improper fraction 15/4 to mixed fraction. So, to solve this question, first, we will write out the improper fraction 15/4. Next, we will use the denominator, which is 4, to divide the numerator. So, if 4 divides 15, it will give us 3 whole number. Remainder, 3. We will write down the whole number, 3, then, the remainder, which is 3. We will write it as the numerator over the number we used to divide, which is 4. So, this gives us 3 whole number, 3/4, as the answer in mixed fraction. Let's try another example. Example 2. Change this improper fraction 8/5 to mixed fraction. So, to solve this question, first, we will write out the improper fraction 8/5. Next, we will use the denominator, which is 5, to divide the numerator. So, if 5 divides 8, it will give us 1 whole number. Remainder, 3. We will write down the whole number, 1. Then, the remainder, which is 3. We will write it as the numerator over the number we used to divide, which is 5. So, this gives us 1 whole number, 3/5, as the answer in mixed fraction. Next, we will discuss on how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Example 1. Convert the mixed fraction 3 whole number 2/5 to improper fraction. To solve this question, first, we will write out the mixed fraction. 3 whole number, 2 over 5. The first step to solve this is to multiply the whole number, 3, by the denominator, which is 5. This gives us 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. Step 2. We will add the numerator, which is 2, to the result. This gives us 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17. Step 3. We will write down the result, 17, as the numerator, over the denominator, which is 5. So, the answer is 17 over 5. This is how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Example 2. Convert the mixed fraction, 6 whole number, 1 over 4, to improper fraction. To solve this question, first, we will write out the mixed fraction. 6 whole number, 1 over 4. The first step to solve this is to multiply the whole number, 6, by the denominator, which is 4. This gives us 6 times 4, which is equal to 24. Step 2. We will add the numerator, which is 1, to the result. This gives us 24 plus 1, which is equal to 25. Step 3. We will write down the result, 25, as the numerator, over the denominator, which is 4. Therefore, the answer is 25 over 4. In these two examples, we have learned how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Next, we will solve some practice questions. Question 1. What fraction of the boxes is shaded red color? From the diagram, we can see that there are 5 boxes, and only 2 boxes are shaded red color. So, the fraction of the boxes which are shaded red color is 2 over 5. Therefore, the answer is option D. Question 2. What fraction of the boxes is shaded blue color? From the diagram, we can see that there are 5 boxes, and only 1 box is shaded blue color. So, the fraction of the boxes which is shaded blue color is 1 over 5. Therefore, the answer is option B. Question 3. What type of fraction is 2 over 5? If we consider the fraction, the numerator, which is 2, is smaller than the denominator, which is 5. The fraction, whose numerator is smaller than the denominator, is a proper fraction. Therefore, the answer is option B. Question 4. What type of fraction is 15 over 8? If we consider the fraction, the numerator, which is 15, is bigger than the denominator, which is 8. The fraction, whose numerator is bigger than the denominator, is an improper fraction. Therefore, the answer is option C. We have come to the end of this lesson, and I hope you understand the topic. In the next lesson, we will discuss on addition and subtraction of fractions. See you in the next lesson.